Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hilmi bin Muhammad Nasir 11828082. So today I will present to you the candlestick analysis on Mrcb. Firstly, the current earning. Based on the quarterly report for Mrcb, we clearly can see that their net profit for the current quarter year is 26,898,000 ringgit, which is on the positive zone. In brief, we can conclude that Mrcb company is strong in terms of the ingredients that generate powerful earning growth and has the potential to grow further. Thirdly, the new on news. The company has reached an agreement with Mrcb Tower Sdn Bhd to supply chilled water for 20 years. It shows that the company has made some innovation to increase their revenue and evolve their business. This information will push the stock price to higher level, and it is an excellent signal for future stock price growth. Normally, it will cause short-term excitement, propelling a surge of optimism within the market and subsequent price appreciation. Fourthly, the supply and demand. The data above shows the volume of Mrcb company on 9th June 2021 after the market was closed. As we can see, the demand average volume is 8,426,500, while the demand volume for the day is 4,700,700. It shows that the demand for the day is decreasing and does not reach as usual demand. In brief, we can say that the investor does not show any interest in this stock. Since there is no demand on the market, the stock price will fall as there are more supply than demand. Fifthly, the leader and laggard. The technical chart above shows a comparison between some top companies in the property industries, which is Gamuda, Wydad, Ecovest, and Mrcb. If we look at the chart, the top company and the leader for the property industry is Wydad. It shows that Wydad start rising to the highest since April 2020, while the other companies they made sideways and does not break the resistance. Other than that, Mrcb is a laggard in this industry since it is placed at the bottom. In brief, the investor may not be interested in Mrcb since they would prefer the leading company such as Wydad since it's promising. Last but not least, the institutional investor. As we can see, the adjusted float is only 42.9%, which means the outsider holds 57.1% of the shares. It indicates that the corporation has a large number of shares that held by a small number of people. It clearly shows that the market is dominated by the outsiders. In brief, we can say the market is volatile and it is easy to manipulate. Lastly, the market direction. As we can see, the market started to downtrend since April 2019 until today at the price level of 1.15 ringgit. The market seems volatile and start to make an uptrend pattern on April 2020, but it is not a strong uptrend and yet to break the downtrend line, and there are many sideways occur. Thus, it is not a good option for a trader to trade. In brief, the stock is in uptrend for a short term but in downtrend for a long term. All from me, thank you.